Let's go. It's a beautiful day. It is a beautiful day. November 10th? November 10th? Yeah, November 10th. It's crisp, like 55 out right now. A little windy. Freaking beautiful. I cannot wait. We're hitting Tallulah Gorge today. I'm excited. We're underway at Tallulah Gorge. I'm heading down a pretty steep stairway. I'm not looking forward to climbing back up, but yeah, so far it's been beautiful. It's just like very nice fall leaves right now. There were some signs that the gorge floor is closed as they're letting water run through it today, which is pretty rude, but you know, from what I've heard, I can cross the bridge, and yeah, I can make out the bridge right there. But once you cross the bridge, you cannot go any further. So, always going on the day where the trail is closed. Always how it goes. Extreme caution, I always try. Here. Made it to overlook 4, and this one is overlooking the dam that is the reason why I can't go to the gorge floor. There's just too much water going through, and it's not safe or whatever to you know, try to trudge through a stream of pretty strong rushing water, I guess. If they want us to be safe, then fine, but yeah, not the most remote wilderness hike we're going on today. It is a marvel of modern engineering along the way that affects the trail, but you know, this is the world we live in. What a cool, that's a freaking cool dam, I can't lie. Look at that. Doesn't rival Hoover Dam, but it's a dam. It is a dam. So this is at one edge of this kind of T-shaped trail with the like visitor center in the middle of it. So made it down the right edge of the T, and I'm heading back towards the visitor center, and I'll be at the left edge of the T. There's some more overlooks along the ridge overlooking the gorge, but yeah. I'll check back later. Wait, do what? Yeah. Scary bridge coming up. In 1970, tower walker Carl Lenda used this tower to walk across the gorge. He walked from this overlook to the tower on the south rim. During his walk, he did 2 headstands. I promise I will not be doing headstands as I cross this gorge. Nah, I'm kidding. I'm not scared. No. But there are bigger and better things to tackle today, and more waterfalls to get to. So, you have been beautiful. Tallulah? Yeah, Tallulah Gorge. You've been beautiful, but it's time to move on. Tallulah Gorge, all finished. Pretty easy hike, really not too much to it. Pretty beautiful views. I wish you got to actually go down and get near the gorge, get near the water, but beautiful, really loved it, and we were on to bigger and better things, so let's do it. So the next trail I found is Angel Falls Trail. Don't really know what to expect. Kind of just found it very quickly on alltrails, or actually Google, yeah. It seems like it's a 2-mile out and back that should take around an hour. And I hope it's worth it, because I really don't know what to expect. But we're starting. American infrastructure. Please don't fall.
There's so many really tiny, completely useless bridges in this trail. Come on. Another one. Maybe this is needed. Well, made it to the first fall. Panther Falls it's called? Panther, yeah. Really, really incredible just how steep and how like layered and gosh, I wish I had paid attention more in geology, but the different cake layers of all this is just so incredible. There was a couple here before. They helped them down a little bit. It's the 45th wedding anniversary. That's a lot of time. That is a lot of time. 45 years drive anybody crazy spending together. Might sound crazy, but I just want to take a second to appreciate, like, the weather today. I think it's probably 50, 55 right now. Just like a light mist coming down the entire day long. It's like you're just walking through a tiny bit of just cool water this entire hike. And the forest is just growing. And it's not muddy, but you just feel there's specks of water on the leaf. It's not gonna focus. Yeah, there you go. You might even see a droplet on the camera. But I just love this weather. You just feel one with nature. You feel one with the atmosphere as you're climbing higher and higher. And just the running water sounds. Stepping on leaves. It's healing. It is. It's beautiful and yeah, I don't really have much else to say. It's there's no big conclusion here. It's just go appreciate nature. Go appreciate what this gives you, because doesn't last forever. Okay, I made it to the top, and what a view, holy cow. I was coming up here, and you see this little stream, and I'm like, yeah, that's really nice. And then you step up on here, and it just goes up and up. And look at the top of that, just the light trickle of 40 veins of water next to each other, streaming down each layered sedimentary rock into this little beaver dam, maybe, but it's inhibiting some of the water flow for sure. Kind of a mess around here actually, but it flows to the other side like that. And there we are. Take a tumble down here if you're not careful. It's just how the leaves are wet over here. It's maybe 20-degree gradient. Oh, I just slipped. It's a 20-degree gradient, as I was trying to say. Of just slippery leaves. Oh, that's a thorn. Ow. Okay, so you can't even grab onto the branches next to you for help. We'll make it down though. There we go. Back. You know, I talked about what a nice day it is and how I love the light mist that was going on. Well, it's really picking up. And we made it. That is 2 out of 3 hikes done today. Hoping to get one more fall hike out of the way. This was special though. This is pretty awesome. It's pouring though. Let me get to my car and hope the rain ends. Next up is Minnehaha Falls. Stupid name. Pretty long gravel road, basically 1 lane, around 1.5 miles to get here, which wasn't fun on my Honda Civic, but we made it, and it's a short hike, so gonna just power through in the rain. Didn't take my backpack. It shouldn't take more than 20 minutes, so let's do it. Okay. Whoa. 3rd waterfall of the day. This one might just take the cake. Just got time lapse to be climbing this. I wish I could have taken you with me. That would have been fun too. I didn't really think about that too much. I'd never heading out anyway though. But wow, that was really not safe at all. I think I made it all the way to the top, I think. Maybe just one ledge below that, but holy cow, that was so fun. That was really, there was some room on the left side to kind of use trees and stuff, but quite a lot of that was just shimmying up really slippery rocks. I have slipped once, but beyond that, we made it. That was freaking awesome. Wow, what a rush. Look at that. Look at that. Farewell. I forgot the name. Minnehaha Falls. There were people who pulled up while I was like all the way at the top. They didn't say anything and kind of left pretty quickly, and I appreciate them not taking my GoPro. That was very kind of them. There's good people out there. But yeah. I think I'm pretty set on adventuring today. That was 3 different hikes. Oh geez, there's dirt all over me. That was the shortest. I almost just destroyed my ankle. Okay, that was the shortest of the 3, but maybe definitely the most perilous of the 3. That was awesome. It's really, really raining here. I'm absolutely soaked, but we made it. We made it.